Hey
Hi
guys!
So today we're gonna be opening some. So I have Addie and my some Axel friends, and Axel, tell them what you have.
I have Lego Movie 2, Mini Master Building Metal Beer.
What?
Okay, let's open it.
Yeah, let's open it.
Put the box on the table when you're the little boxes, but then you post when it's open.
Wow, these are all super. Okay, let's open this.
There's directions to build all of these.
Where's the scissors? We don't need them.
Okay, let's see what you got, Shawnee.
I can't.
Well, hold it up.
Wait, when he's done, hold up. Stop this.
Let's see what it is.
Which one do you need scissors for?
Medium case. I got this.
Ooh.
Okay. The umbrella.
I can't find the figure. The scissors. Dangerous. Okay.
Bless you. What'd you get?
This.
What is that?
Little angel wings for the figure.
Wait, when Maxwell's done, he should hold his up too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a 2-1. Oh, and another 2-1. Oh, you get 2 of them in there. I wonder which character. I really hope I get a character. Scissors. Oh my gosh. Which one is it? Wait, hold on a second. I just want to look. Oh, I got
Who is it?
this one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, her name's Luna.
Oh, all right.
What are you doing in front of me? Why? Wait. Do you put these on her?
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
I'm gonna open these boxes. This one has putty in it.
Mhm.
Oh, little. Are you looking at Maxwell? What are you doing in there?
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was empty. There's something in there.
What?
There's something in there.
Oh, let me see. Oh.
What is it?
Oh, cute. It's little. I don't know what it is. Oh, you can. It's a rainbow imprint for your putty. It's like a cookie cutter.
Wait,
What's a cookie cutter? Oh, there.
Okay.
wait. Why are you doing it in front of me?
Good point.
Means.
Wait. It's okay.
Did you open it up? Yes.
Is it the last one?
What's this one? Wait, hold on one second.
Oh, how cute.
Wait, which one's this?
Oh, it's adorable. Which one does it say it is?
Pops. Which one's this? I forgot. I don't know which one's this.
Wasn't that Luna?
And then which one's this?
Pops.
Bob.
Let's see what you got, Maxwell.
Look at this.
Cool.
Little beard.
All right.
He's funny.
Okay, you guys want to wind it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you gonna say?
So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make
Don't
sure
forget to
like
like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Give it big
Give
thumbs up.
Bye guys. Say bye, Max.
Bye.